Welcome people, my name is Jonte aka Jontavious. As of yesterday, I've officially started testosterone. I had my first injection. Some people have been asking me how I feel right now. I'm feeling a little bit more, ecstatic, a little bit more energetic. Not too much, but just a slight amount. I did make a video on TikTok of my physique and did a little overview. Yo, this is Jonte and this is my voice one day on T. Just gonna see where I go. I did lose a lot of size over the time period where I was having my eggs frozen. I do need to get that back with interest because that was a violation. I'll be real, I worked hard to get that muscle mass. As per usual, I want to thank everyone that's actually supported me online and offline. I'll probably see you guys in a week just to let you guys know what's going on and how I'm feeling, and then after that a month, and then so on and so forth. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Alright, so the first thing you're obviously gonna notice is that I sound like shit. Right now I'm sick as fuck, so I'm gonna sound like shit, obviously. Second thing, the entire time I've been making videos, this camera was flipped, so everything in the background, couldn't read it. Hopefully you can read back that it says Vans on the back. I did notice it, but I just didn't know how to fix it. So yeah, 1 week on T. Well, actually, I'm a week and like 3 days on T, but it's the same fucking shit. Before I get into how I'm feeling, I'm gonna explain what the fuck happened before I started T. There was a delay in me starting testosterone because there was a miscommunication with my GP. I was supposed to start testosterone on the 28th of February and I ended up starting on the 7th of March. I was supposed to be put in for a nurse's appointment and then instead they put me in with the doctor. I went in that day and I was excited as shit, but then she was like, oh, I can't administer the injection because I'm a doctor, I'm not a nurse. But I was pissed off. We were able to book another appointment like 7 days later, so it wasn't too bad. But then on that same day, I went to the pharmacy because I had to pick up the prescription myself. When I went to the pharmacy and I asked for my prescription, they told me that the fucking supplier was out of stock. The supplier was out of stock.
Yeah, double homicide.
Obviously, I was feeling pretty shit because that's a dumb situation to be in. Every day after that, I went in to check if the supplier had restocked. Bear in mind, the appointment that I had to get my first injection was on the 7th. That was the day that they restocked. I was barely able to get my prescription on time. It arrived like 20 minutes before the appointment, so I was just lucky as fuck to get that. So let me just show you the medication. You can see it right here. I was prescribed testosterone enantate. Here are the little vials that it comes in. It's a 3-month supply. I've already taken the first one. Yeah, that was finally sorted out. I'm happy that I'm actually on testosterone now. So down to the changes. Now, I did take a few notes on how I was feeling. After I got my first shot, I was pretty energetic. I don't think it has anything to do with the testosterone. I was feeling hella energetic after that first shot. I was so happy. I was so excited. Some of the changes that I've experienced so far is like a slight change in body smell, like BO or piss. It feels like it smells, I don't know, stronger. But yeah, my body odor has changed, so like when I'm sweaty, I do smell a bit different. On top of that, now I do get more sweaty whenever I do like activities. Sweat so much more. It's so shit. I'll be taking multiple showers a day just to get sweaty in the next 20 minutes. I don't think there's been a change in muscle mass. I did gain back the weight that I lost in that egg freezing surgery, so I'm feeling pretty good right now. Another change has been an increase in libido, and I'm gonna leave it there. Of course, my throat has been feeling a bit off, like I feel like I'm talking from a different place. It's hard to explain. I wouldn't say my voice has dropped at all. Some people have told me that my voice has dropped, but I feel like it's bullshit because it's only been like a week or so. I don't really think my voice would have dropped. I could be wrong. I don't think it's dropped, especially with this cold I have right now. It's gone up instead of down. I do feel like I have noticed some bottom growth. The area is a bit more, I'd say sensitive, and I'm more aware of the area. I've had to change some of the boxes that I wear because of the bottom growth, because it feels uncomfortable to wear certain things. I'm gonna leave it at that with the bottom growth thing. That's literally it. Nothing else has really changed. Like, I do feel a bit more confident knowing now that, I'm on testosterone after all these years. I'm still trying to process it. I don't feel like anything significant is gonna happen for a little while, but I'm looking forward to, updating. Hopefully the updates will actually be consistent this time, because life is just I've been a bit busy with life and shit right now. I've been working quite a lot. I work night shifts, so I don't really have too much time during the day to actually record and shit. I'm gonna need you guys to be patient because these uploads take a lot of time and effort. The recording, the editing. Do bear with me when it comes to that. Thank you guys for supporting regardless. I did see that we hit 100 subscribers recently, so I was pretty surprised about that. Thank you for all the support. I'm gonna wait until I hit 1 month before I do a full update video. I will notify you guys when the egg freezing video is done because that is taking so much time. But yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and I'll see you guys in the next video when I hit 1 month or when I decide to fucking upload the egg freezing thing. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're looking after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and peace.